Look at the first word, al-baytu. So it is definite. The house. Fil bayti. Brother, from baytu you made it bayti. Why? Marfu, you made it into majroor. There has to be a reason. The reason is that before the noun, preposition came. Sister Fatima, harfu jarrin, particle of pulling down. What did it do? From tu, it pulled it down to the. I didn't do it. Somebody did it, and that was harf jar. So, brothers and sisters, this is our start of learning the majroor form. So far, we were only marfu, marfu, marfu. Now we will be majroor. We'll be doing majroor. What is fi? In. And the next one is ala. What is on? Al-maktabu, ala al-maktabi. Al-maktabu became maktabi. And I ask you why? Because of harf jar, pull it down. Al-masjidu, fil masjidi. Okay, du became di. As-sariru, alas-sariri. See how I am pronouncing alas-sariri. It's a shadda. Alas-sariri, I did not pronounce alif, I did not pronounce lam. You don't have to get into practice. Two more preposition. Can you see what are they, brother? Min and ila. What is min? From. And ila? To. Again, al-baytu, marfu. Min al-bayti, the bayti became, why? Because of harf jar. See, now there is a reason for us to understand why baytu became bayti. Why? What came in front of her? Harf jar came. Min al-bayti, from the house. Al-masjidu, ila al-masjidi. What happened? Harf jar came. And harf jar will make the ism majroor. Now from Arabic grammar point of view, what will I call min al-bayti? Jarun wa majroor. And it is a shibu jumla. It is a phrase. It is a phrase. Then what is ilal masjidi? Jarun wa majroor. A shibu jumla. You will get used to shibu jumla, brother. Did we learn, brothers and sisters, that mubtada is always marfu and khabar is always marfu? Now we go one step forward. Khabar is only marfu if it is one word. The first form of khabar is if it is one word, it is marfu. What is the second form of khabar? Second form of khabar is that instead of one word, it has got preposition followed by ism majroor. Okay, brothers and sisters? If you see fil bayti, brother and sisters, what is fi? Preposition. You can say for the time being preposition, later on you will say harf jar. What will you say? Harf jar. If it is harf jar, then the ism has to be majroor. Ism majroor. But you got to, if I shout at you, you will shout back at me. Harf jar, ism majroor. You will shout back at me. Harf jar, ism majroor. Okay. So here we have fi as a harf jar followed by ism majroor. This is ism majroor. Okay. Together we call it jarun wa majroorun. What is the meaning of jarun wa majroorun? It means there is a harf jar followed by ism majroor. So we will say jarun wa majroorun. Are you with me? So what is sentence? A group of words which make complete sense. What is phrase? It's a group of words, but it does not give you complete sense. If I tell you, fil bayti, Translate. In the house. Is it a sentence? No. What is it? Phrase. What do you call phrase in Arabic? Are you ready to write down? Shibhu jumla. What did I say? Shibhu jumla. Okay, now jumla is a sentence. What is the meaning of shibhu jumla? Shibhu means something looks like jumla, but it is not a jumla. Are you with me? Shibhu means it looks similar, but then it is not. It's not a jumla. It's a shibhu jumla. It looks like a jumla. What do you call shibhu jumla in English? Phrase. It looks like a sentence, but it is not a complete sentence. It is a phrase. Yes, in the masjid, on the table, in the market, under the table, over the table, behind the board, in front of the board. These are all shibhu jumla. Okay. So, brothers and sisters, if I tell you Muhammadun fil masjidi, because we came, how will you translate? Muhammad is in the masjid. Okay. So, where is mubtada? Muhammad. Where is khabar? Fil masjidi. So, what is khabar? Shibhu jumla khabar. And together I will write down jarun wa majrurun shibhu jumla khabar. So, if I want to tell you in English, which you will understand a little better, that in the masjid, it is a preposition followed by noun in the genitive case. Together, it is a phrase and it is the predicate. Where is the predicate? In the masjid. And what is in? Preposition. And what is masjid? It's the noun in genitive case from our point of view. Okay. Anta minal Hindi. So, anta is mubtada, agar is the khabar. Minal Hindi. Jar majrur. Shibhu jumla. We will learn more shibhu jumlas, but right now only jar majrur. Hiya minal Yabani. She is from Japan. So, hiya is mubtada. And where is the khabar? Minal Yabani. Okay? Jar majrur. Shibhu jumla khabar. Hiya fil matbahi. What is matbahi? Kitchen. She is making biryani for us. Hiya fil matbahi. Okay, what is hiya, brother? Mubtada. Oh, then, brother, where is the khabar? Fil matbakh. Charun wa majrur shibhu jumla khabar.